wanted to show, this is another little feature that we're having in our house. It's what we dub the architectural feature. It's a trench that's 16 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and that's where I'm going to have all my drain and supply lines run through to supply for the sinks and the toilets. And then on top of that, I'm going to create a resin type top that can screw on and off, so I have access to all that, because we're doing a slab floor with radiant floor heating underneath it. So I want to have all this access to myself, and plus it's just a really neat little feature. I'm hoping to maybe paint the drain lines and put some river rock in it and light it up. It'll be just a really neat little fun thing to walk on top of. But I wanted to show everybody this is what I'm going to do here, and this is sort of like the guts of the whole thing. So here we are. We have put in the rock chucker, the sandy nines. I've compacted it down. And this is my forms that I built here. These are going to be the sides of the trench. So to explain a little bit further how this is supposed to happen, you've got all of the gravel in through here. I've got that compacted down into a valley. And then I put the 6 mil plastic underneath all of it. Then I put in my forms that I had preset. And then I took fiberboard right here and I screwed it from the inside out. So then the plastic will come up in here. I might put some rebar down in through here and liquid nail it into this. The gravel will come into here like so and keep on filling up until we get to a level all the way across the whole floor right through here. And then whenever we pour the cement, I can then undo all of these pieces because I use screws to hold it all together. And I got it pretty straight all the way down. It's going to be about 36 foot long. I'll do it in sections where each piece can then be lifted off at certain times if I need to do any type of repairs or any type of future work. Again, it's just a really neat little piece that I thought of, and I'm really excited to have this be a feature of the house. Our doorway from the garage is going to come in this way. The hallway is going to be right there. And then if you come around this side and look over here, this is where the garage door is going to be, right in this whole area right through here. So you'll get this view outside of here. But on the floor, this will house all the plumbing, supply and drain for our bathrooms on both sides, and then our kitchen right in through here. This is one of my favorite little pieces. I can't wait to finish this up. It's going to be really cool.